Okay, so here we go. My name is Jerry Brown, and I've got several videos on YouTube on growing my lettuce. I've just got a few of the plants up here. I'll talk about it in a minute. But this is an unusual little video because I want to show you an idea between why indoor gardening can compete with outdoor gardening, as you'll see here in a minute. Anyway, my videos are located, if you want to see, I've got about 16 or 17 on YouTube. They're located, if you type in on a search on YouTube, Jerry Brown 830, all little letters all run together, JERRYBROWN 830. It'll bring you up to all my videos. And this one will be on in a couple of days. Anyway, what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to make a salad real quick with really fresh lettuce. And here's my lettuce. These are my two, I want to call my go-to plants. This is a Butter Crunch, it's a green lettuce. And this is a red French lettuce called Merlot. This was supposed to be a red French, and it is, but sometimes in the seeds, they may get a bit of a romaine seed or pollen in the plant. So when you get them in a package, you don't always get 90% of the seeds in the packet will be like this. But once in a while you get these, but they're very good to eat. So I'm going to use this today, and then I'll make two salads quickly. But the reason I want to show you this is making a salad today is because I didn't grow these outdoors. I grew these inside and in amber-colored mason jars. But here's the reason why. I'll take you over here. I'm going to take a shot out my back door. All right? So, Cheryl, come on over here. Cheryl's my camera lady today. Here we are. This is February 18th, 2025. And you can see we're not quite in the tail end of this snowstorm. This is the second one we've had in 2 weeks. Not a lot going out there in my garden. I wouldn't be growing lettuce out there, but this lettuce I can grow 365 days a year because in my house it's always between 60 and 80 degrees, and that's what lettuce requires. So let's get started here. I'm going to start with this, and I'll just pick off, this is really fresh lettuce. I'll just pick off some lettuce. I like to just tear it up a little bit. I saw a French chef do this on TV or on YouTube. Now, you might think I'm ruining this plant, and since it's one that's a little bit like not like the others, maybe I am. I don't know. Won't matter. It'll grow back in a few days. In 5 days, I can take more lettuce leaves off. Some of them are great big leaves, like this one. Okay. Now let's mix in with that a little. I love these leaves on this lettuce. I've been using extra lights, and you'll notice it's almost like spinach. It's very tough. And I don't want to say tough. It's very, it's thick. And I'll take the ones off the bottom, which is where I should be doing anyway. I don't know. Cheryl, is that getting to be about enough on one plate or not? What do you think?
It looks lovely, but I need some Merlot on mine.
Okay. I'll just make this one mine. I'm going to put a few more leaves of Merlot on there.
Merlot is my favorite.
Yeah. Merlot has bigger leaves, which you can use for, the reason I like it is, these leaves on this green Butter Crunch, the way I grow it, they're almost like spinach. They're real bumpy because they get a lot of light 12 hours a day. And these you can use for lettuce wraps. So how about that, Cheryl? Is that enough Merlot?
That will be wonderful.
Okay, so now I just go around and start dumping stuff that Cheryl cut up here a while ago. Just start dumping stuff. Milk and carrots. How about some red peppers? Some lettuce. Oh, not lettuce, I'm sorry. Onions. And green peas. And I will set this over here. And Cheryl will put her own dressing on it, because she likes it different than I do. And I'll quickly make my salad. And while I'm doing this, think about the point I'm trying to make is maybe it's time that we started trying to grow more stuff indoors. I've got these lettuce plants, and my costs for my the electricity is really the only cost I have is running the LED lights downstairs where I grow this lettuce is about $6 a month. So, and that's about what a head of lettuce or so costs you nowadays. And that's the only cost I have. Package of seeds once a year. Well, 2 packs, one for each kind of lettuce. Right now I'm growing some different kind of plants down there. Heirloom plants just to try some different varieties and see what I like from different countries. Okay. I really like grapes, so I'll just dump the rest of them little puppies right out there. So, think about this. You can see my videos on YouTube, and it'll show you what my gardens look like downstairs, and they're not very big. They're just 2 foot wide and 4 foot long, but I have 3 of them. And I can grow houseplants, lettuce. I grew some Italian radishes here a couple weeks ago. So these are our salads. We're getting ready for lunch, and we're getting ready for lunch in the middle of a snowstorm, or near the end, I'm hoping. And by the way, it's February 18th. 2 days ago, I turned 87. And this is what I'm doing in my old age. Okay. Thank you for watching.